Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Get ready to create some royal bead designs. If you like this videos, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Now, let's get started with the materials you'll need. 6 Bugle beads, 15 zeroths Miyuki seed beads, 14 oval gem, gear ring stud, jump ring, 0.12 beading thread, size 12 beading needle. First, pick up 10 bugle beads onto your beading thread. Bring them down. Pass the needle one time again through all 10 bugle beads. Make it tight and tie a knot. Now, take the tail thread and pass it through one bead. Tie a knot and cut the excess. Next, take the main needle thread, pass it through one bead, pick up one bugle bead, and pass it back through the same bugle bead. Now, repeat the same process for all the remaining beads. I'll be completing all these steps off camera to keep the video length manageable. Now that you've finished this round, pass the needle through the upper second bead to start the next row. Pick up one more bugle bead and pass the needle through the back side of the same bugle bead. Now, pick up one seed bead and pass the needle to the next bugle bead. Now repeat the same process for all the remaining beads. Make sure to gently pull the thread after each step to keep the beads secure and prevent wobbling. Now, once you've added the last bugle bead in the pattern, add 2 seed beads in the gap to start the next line. In this step, you'll be adding 1 bugle bead above each bugle bead, and 2 seed beads in each gap. Repeat this process for all the remaining beads. Now, once you've finished this pattern, for the next pattern in the row, after adding the last bugle beat, you have to add one seed bead in the gap. Then, fold the upper bugle bead inward. Add one more seed bead in the gap, and one bugle bead. This closing pattern makes the section shorter to fit the gemstone. Remember to keep pulling the thread tightly as you go, to ensure the beads are close together, and create the desired shorter pattern. Now place the 14 mm oval-shaped stone into the center of the earring, and then pull the thread. After adding it, you will see there are all bugle beads on the upper pattern section. Pass the needle through all the upper bugle beads. When you pull it, it will be tighter, and the gemstone will fit perfectly inside. Now, pass the needle one more time again to make it more secure and tight for the earring. Now, pass the needle from the seed bead, then the pipe bead, and pass from 2 seed beads to go to the upper center section. Now, pick up 1 seed bead and pass the needle back through the 2 seed beads from the back side. Repeat this process on all the remaining seed beads. Now, bring the needle from the upper center bead. Pick up 6 seed beads and pass the needle from the next upper seed bead. This will create a loop for connecting the stud and the jump ring. Pass the needle one more time back from the loop to make it more secure. Now, pass the needle from few beads. Tie a knot and cut the excess. Add the jump ring, connect the earring and the earring stud, and secure it. Now your earring is complete. It was so easy to make, and it has such a pretty and royal look. Now go make your own earring. And if you make it, don't forget to tag me. I would love to see your creation. If you have any questions, please comment below and I will surely reply. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.